In this video, we will learn how to install WordPress step by step. So let's get started. First of all, there are few requirements before we install WordPress. We need hosting and a domain name. After that, there are two methods to install it. First method is by using auto installer, which is easy, while the other method is manual, which requires some technical skills. The manual method is already covered and available on our channel. In this video, we will cover the first method, which is by using auto installer. Now we have already logged in and landed on the dashboard of our hosting. We are using Hostinger. Now we will install the WordPress. To install it, our domain is already set up in our hosting. We need to click on dashboard. Now we are on the dashboard of our domain. Here on the left side bar, look for website option. And now click on auto installer. Here we have few installer options available. Choose WordPress. Now it will ask you to add website credentials such as website title, admin email, username, password. Click next. Now it will show you the current configuration such as application version, language and requirements. So I will keep them default and click install. The WordPress has been successfully installed using auto installer. Now you can confirm it by visiting your website. You can type your website .com/wp-admin. After that and logging in, you will land on the WordPress dashboard. We can also view our website from here. You can see the WordPress was successfully installed. So this is how you can install WordPress. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe for more.